Everyone, today in this video I will discuss one of my projects about fetching data and creating dynamic pages in SDocs. So before moving on to the project execution, let me share with you the client's requirements and the basics of SDoc in Salesforce. Talking about the client's requirements, the client wanted us to separate checkboxes for separate pages in a template. Let us say there are 10 pages, so the client wanted to add 10 checkboxes. Before jumping into the video and creating an SDocs template, let me give you a quick overview of SDocs and the solution we provided. Before moving on to the execution, let me tell you the basics of SDoc and the benefits of SDoc in Salesforce. Considered to be one of the fastest, safest and easiest document generator applications, the SDoc solution is built for the Salesforce platform. It is 100% native document generation and e-signature solution for Salesforce. SDoc is lightning fast, exceptionally intuitive and secure since your data never leaves Salesforce. It helps you generate email and e-sign your mission critical documents using a solution built on platform your team relies on every day. Let me tell you about the benefits of SDocs in Salesforce. Document solutions such as SDocs can help your sales team focus better on sales activities rather than creating documents. SDoc solution enables the marketing team to maintain consistency concerning layout, grammar, and logo usage in all their communications. With access to different documents of the business, admins or sales managers can draw insights based on aggregated data of SDocs. It enables the marketing team to maintain consistency concerning layouts, grammar, and logo usage in all their communication. And there is very minimal scope of error with approved templates. Here is a glimpse of the solution that we provided. As you can see, there are multiple checkboxes and every one of them refers to the page in the SDoc template. We have used some rendering statements to render pages, like which checkboxes is true after rendering the document, and the checkbox which are not true and not rendering with the document. So we have 3 checkboxes that are true. Let us generate the document. As you can see, the pages where the checkboxes are true are also rendered in the final document. Apart from this, the client wants to add a question statement before generating the document. This will be done to ensure that we can tick the yes checkbox for true and a part should be generated to be populated on the generated template. And if the checkbox no is selected, then that data will not be populated on the generated document. Let us create a document. As you can see, there are 2 checkboxes. One is for yes and the other one is for no. So click on the yes and generate the document. So this part of the data is populated when we are checking the yes checkbox for true. But if we check the no checkbox, this data will not appear on this document. Are you looking to hire the best Salesforce implementation partner to boost your business ROI and uplift your sales? Being a top Salesforce implementation company, Cloud Analogy will understand your business thoroughly and offer the right Salesforce implementation service with fewer complexities and risks to make your business run effectively. Our Salesforce implementation services embrace a broad range of solutions, embracing setup, configuration, and customization of Salesforce implementation solutions. Contact us now.